Hello everyone and welcome. This is Dawn. I'm back with another video for you. Today I'll be using the new Whimsy stamp Slimline dog bone that just got released today and the Caution Dog Slobber stamp set. So let's get started. First I stamped the images with a black Copic friendly ink. Then I cut them out using my new brother's scan and cut I got. I just love this machine and I wanted to show you how quick and easy it is. I didn't show the machine on how it actually cuts it out, but I did want to show you once they are done, you easily take them off and you have all your cutouts. I always cut out extra just so I have them on hand for when I need them, but you can easily fussy cut all these images out. I used to do it like that for a long time. Okay, so now I'm going to just color in all of my images. I'm going to go fast through this since I'm not really doing anything special with my coloring. I will have a list of all my colors I used in the description below in case you're interested. The first color that I used is E37 to color the body of the dog, and I just go around all the edge of the dog with it, and then I shade it in with the E33 sand color, and I just keep blending the two colors until I like what it looks like. Next, I use R11 Pale Cherry Pink for his tongue and the inside of his mouth. Then I use the gray number 0 for his eyes and his teeth. It just takes away the stark white of the paper. And then I just use black 100 to color the dog's nose. I set the dog aside and I chose to color all of my bones in with the neutral gray number 0 just to add some shading to the bones, but this is a totally optional thing. If you want the bones pure white, then you can just leave them the way that they are. I die cut 2 of the bones from craft cardstock and then I glue them together just to add some thickness to the card. I also cut the dog bowl out from some white cardstock. I wanted to make the dog bone look like it had a real big look to it, so I used some Distress Oxide, the vintage photo, around all the edges of it. I just keep going around the entire bone until I have the desired look that I wanted to get. I color the dog bowl with the C7 Cool Gray. I go all around the edge, leaving the bone that's in the middle white for now. And then I bring in the C5 Cool Gray to blend it together. Then I bring in some C3, the Cool Gray, and I color over the bone with it just so that it all kind of comes together kind of nice. I use some of my Nuvo Crystal Drops, the Simply White color, to fill in the dog bone with. Then I set it aside to dry. Meanwhile, I cut out a tag that I used from the Bookmark tag and die set, and I stamp a sentiment from the Adopt Don't Shop dog stamp set. It has this really cute saying, "If you're happy and you know it, wag your tail," which I thought was perfect for this because the dog is going to be happy he has this big bowl of dog bones. I put foam tape on the back of all the pieces, and now I'm going to start to assemble the card. I start out by putting the bowl down first, and then I randomly put the dog bones on top of the bowl and around the bowl so that it looks like they're falling out of the bowl. I didn't put foam tape on the back of the bones since I was piling them on top of one another and I didn't feel like they really needed the dimension. I put the dog where I want him to go on the card. Then I attached the sentiment, and to finish off the card, I decided to stamp 3 paw prints randomly onto it. This can be used as a card, or you can punch a hole in the end and use it as a tag to hang off of a gift. That completes my card for today. I want to thank you for joining me on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe to the Whimsy Stamps channel and their other social media platforms so you don't miss out on any upcoming releases and great videos. Also, check out their website for the entire new release. Thanks for stopping by and have a wonderful day.